I'm Sam Johnson. I'm a technical production apprentice.
I'm Demi and my current role is an office administration supervisor.
Hi, my name's Joe and I'm a toolmaker.
I'm Chris, I'm the design and development manager.
Ronnie Stockport and I'm a purchasing administrator.
I'm Sean Bird and I'm a toolmaker.
I am Owen, I'm a technical support apprentice.
I'm Ross and I'm a tool room foreman at HL Plastics.
There's kind of two aspects to it. You kind of got the one I've chosen. You've got your practical and quite like your sort of analytical sort of side to it. So you're sort of on computers and stuff like that. But I like the idea of sort of developing my practical skills with the apprenticeship, which I can use both in job and outside of the job.
University, you learn things, but you don't get the experience alongside it. So doing an apprenticeship, you get the experience and the learning at the same time.
I'd say it was very good because obviously you can do it based in work. You haven't got to travel anywhere, so it saves you time that way. You can still earn while you're learning. So I suppose that's an advantage of it.
I'm a toolmaker by trade. I started out at HL when I was 16 years old, apprenticed to one of the owners at the time, Mr. Godfrey Harris. It gave me a chance to express myself in what I did, it gave me a chance to prove myself, and it gave me ambition.
I joined HL Plastics in 2003 as an apprentice toolmaker. I quite enjoyed the educational side of things at school, but I was quite a hands-on person and really enjoyed doing the apprenticeship because it gave me a chance to be on the educational side of things and also get hands-on as well.
In 2012 I started my apprenticeship in the tool room. The apprenticeship helped me develop essential engineering skills as well as build confidence in a working environment. I thought it was the best option for me as I could do hands-on learning whilst being paid at the same time.
I joined HL Plastics in October 2006 in the technical role. I thoroughly enjoyed my apprenticeship. I got involved in all different areas of the company and it took me on to the role I'm at now. I joined HL Plastics in January 2011 as a tool room apprentice. My apprenticeship provided a good base for me to start my technical and managerial career within a manufacturing business.
I joined HL about 3 years ago. I started off doing sales order processing and that's when I started my MBQ. I felt it was good because they completely worked around you, so if you did have a day where you thought I'm a bit too busy to see them today, they'd come and tailor when you got free time really, so that was good.
I joined the company in October 2015 as an apprentice toolmaker. I thoroughly enjoyed the more practical approach as I did a day release at college for 2 years. This allowed me to earn a wage and learn on the job and at college.
Went to grammar school and didn't really know what I wanted to do. Knew that I wanted to work with my hands and learn a trade. And I just think when you're that age you don't really know what you want to do except to earn some money and progress in life.
I've always been very interested in making things and overcoming problems. In the extrusion industry, when you're tool making, you're always under pressure to hit a deadline. The apprenticeship allowed me to become more organised and it helped me to manage my time and hit tight deadlines.
The apprenticeship's been brilliant because it's helped me to fully understand the design process from start to finish. I've got experience from the factory floor up to a design role and even a managerial kind of position.
My apprenticeships helped me influence my career by learning on the job. Instead of going to university and spending thousands on studies, I've done it all through work.
Hopefully go on all the way to finish my BTEC, then go on to do HNC, HND and go as far as getting that equivalent of foundation degree. And, to know that I've done as far as going to university, but also stayed in a job at the same time.
I'd like to go on to do a HNC, HND potentially, if there's room for that, and hopefully progression within the company if that's possible as well.
The good thing about apprentices for the apprentice is that it allows them to be themselves, but the good thing from a company's point of view is that you can mould the apprentice into the company's culture. so the people who all work together are all part of it, and it evolves, and that's why we've been so successful. Young people have to be the future. I guess it's a thing of getting older, that young people, you know, we all need young people in all departments to take it forward. Ambition.